Good day. My name is Obasiloki Chidube, and I'll be walking you through how to create virtual machines in the Azure environment. I'm sorry to say that out of the 6 virtual machines, I was only able to create 4 successful virtual machines, not being able to create the remaining 2 because of my subscription price. Azure warned that my price could not be able to create further virtual machines. So I'm left with only 4 virtual machines working functionally, while 2 have not been able to be created. So I want to connect to the first virtual machine, the engineering VM. So when I click on the engineering VM, I have the page for connection. So on the connect, we are going to see the public IP address in which we shall connect to this virtual machine via the internet. So for the public IP, you can see 20.80.72.44. So using Microsoft RDP, we can try to connect to this virtual machine via the internet. Okay. Okay. It's booting. Here we are. This is the engineering virtual machine 1. We have connected to this virtual machine using RODP. To ensure that I have provisions this machine for the engineering group and also allow file share service in this virtual machine for the engineering group, we have to go to the File Explorer. It's still booting in the background. Okay, here's the File Explorer, and in this File Explorer, you can see that I have engineering file share already configured in this virtual machine. So let me also continue to walk you through the virtual machine in the Azure environment. Here we are. If we go to the access control of this virtual machine, for the role assignments, you can see that the engineering group has been assigned virtual machine user login. All the engineering groups, all the members of the engineering group have the virtual machine user login to this engineering virtual machine 1. And I was able to assign this after installing an extension. Let's check the extension installed here. You can see the AAD login extension, Microsoft Azure Active Directory login extension. It is this extension that made it possible for the members of the engineering group to log into the virtual machine via the internet. And this right given to the engineering group alone belongs to them. No other group can log into this virtual machine except the engineering group. And I've also configured so in the other sales group virtual machine. You can see the sales VM1. Let's check the access given. For the role assignments, only the sales and marketing group has the virtual machine user login to this sales VM. We can also log into the sales VM using RODP to ensure that we have connected the file share for the sales and marketing group to this virtual machine. The public IP for the sales VM1 is 172.200.208.92. So let's go and log in. Using the RODP again. You can choose 172. Yes, here we are. Okay, this is the virtual machine for the sales marketing group. And to prove that we have connected the file share to this virtual machine, we move to the File Explorer. Here in the File Explorer, you can see that sales marketing file share has been configured in this virtual machine. Okay, so in this project, we have created virtual machines in this project and also assigned these virtual machines to their respective groups. You're giving the groups only the virtual machine user login, and also connected the file shares of the respected group to each of their own virtual machine. Thank you for spending your time in this project. We'll meet again next time.